Hello students, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga, City Central English Medium High School. So let's continue with our second chapter of English subject, that is the boy who sold wisdom. So children, in the last class we have studied that who is the boy and who is selling the wisdom. The boy is nobody but Nagendra and he is selling the wisdom. So let's today continue with our 7th, 8th and 9th paragraph with the explanation, with the video. Before that I want to tell you a short story what is there in the 7th, 8th, 9th paragraph. So children, in this what happened, as merchant, the rich merchant Gupta took the amount from the Nagendra, he returned his wisdom by contracting that his son should always watch fighting two peoples in the street or nearby. Anywhere in the surrounding, if the peoples are fighting, Babu, his son is Babu, should watch that. And this contract was took by Gupta from Nagendra. Later on what happened, one day there were two ladies fighting in the market for a pumpkin. There was only one pumpkin in the vegetable shop and the two ladies were fighting for that pumpkin. And who were the two ladies? The two ladies were the maid, means servant of the queen. So they were the servant of the queen. The king had two queens and the two queens had two servants, means two maids. The two maids were fighting for the one pumpkin. Later on, Babu watched them that they are fighting. And the two ladies, the two maids also observed that Babu is watching us. And they started saying to Babu that let be our witness. Both the maids were fighting that you should be my witness and you should be my witness. Means one servant is also saying that you should be my witness and the other is also saying that, maid is also saying that you should be my witness. Later on this complaint went to the queen. From the queen it went to the king. Then queen told Babu, both the queens told Babu to come and visit to the court, and who was in very confusion manner and he was very afraid that how I should come out from this situation. He went to his father and he told that whatever the scenario took place in the market and queen have told me to be the witness. So how should I come out from this? So both father and son were in the panic manner. So they went to Nagendra for the wisdom. And Nagendra gave the wisdom that Babu should behave as a abnormal person, means he is weak, mentally weak. He should behave as a mentally weak excuse me, mentally weak, and he should speak, means he should murmur the few words like as if he don't know anything about the situation when he is called to the court. Then next day what happened? The king called Babu to the court. The minister started asking about the incident took place in the market. Babu remembered about the Nagendra's wisdom and he started murmuring. He started murmuring and started behaving nonsensical method so that he don't know anything. After that the king's patience was exhausted and he told Babu to get out from the court. This made Babu very happy that he got saved from the situation which was helpful for him. The wisdom which he followed took from the Nagendra, and he started praising Nagendra very happily, and he also started saying in the market that Nagendra is very good person. His wisdom is very useful so that it will help us to come out from the problem. So it help us to solve the situation. So this is the story in the 7th, 8th, 9th paragraph. So let's move to the video. Watch the video and the explanation. Fine children, look at the screen. There is a king and the king is having two queens. Each queen have their maids. First I will read the paragraph. A few days passed, the king of that land had two queens who hated each other, so did their maids. They quarrelled as bitterly as their mistress. Here what happened? The two kings are there. The two kings were not good with each other. So they used to quarrel with each other. Means they used to fight with each other. With that, the maids were also very fighting. Means they were also not having, the maids were also not having any good relationship with each other. They used to fight with each other. One day, each queen sent her maid to the market. The maid went to the same shop and both wanted to buy the same pumpkin. So can you see in the screen, there is a queen and the queen is ordering the maids to buy the pumpkin from the market. So the maids went to the market to buy the pumpkin, and here the maids are there. There is only one pumpkin in the market and the two maids wanted to buy that one pumpkin. Each maid wanted to buy the pumpkin. There was only one pumpkin, so they began to quarrel. So what happened here? There was only one pumpkin and they began to quarrel. Quarrel means they began to fight. Can you see in the screen? The maids started fighting with each other. Their abuses and gesture were so furious that the grocer fled the place. Babu, who happened to be nearby, remembered his father's contract with Nagendra and went there to watch the quarrel. So here what happened, children? There was only one pumpkin in the market, so the both maids wanted to buy that one pumpkin. Because of that, they started fighting with each other. So their gesture means their body language was so harsh, so rude that it looks like they are very danger looking ladies. Means always ready to fight. Such their body language was there. By this fighting, the grasshopper who was in the shop, he fled, means he ran away from there. At that time what happened? Babu remembered the contract of his father that he should watch the quarrel. So Babu came to that place and he started watching the quarrel. The maids fought, tore and tore each other's hair and came to blows. One of the maid noticed the merchant's son and said, "You be my witness. She struck me." The other maid cried, "You have seen with your own eyes who struck whom. You are my witness." Now what happened? The maids observed that Babu is standing and observing everything. So one of the this maid spoke to Babu that, "Be my witness." Then later on the other maid also saw that, she also told that who struck means who beat whom. किसने किसको मारा है. And their hairs were all in the blooming in the air, means flying in the air. The body language was their body structure became very dangerous. And they started saying that Babu to be the witness. Now later on what happened? Babu was in the confusion manner, means he was in a critical situation. She has hit me so many times. Then they remembered other Irads and went their ways. Irads means for which work they have come in the market. They remembered that Irad and they went to the palace again. The two maids went to the palace again and they started saying to the queen the situation took place in the market. So now let's read the 8th paragraph. The two maids went to their queen and told them about the quarrel, adding all sorts of colorful details. The queen were now furious and sent complaint to the king. Each of them sent words to Babu that he was the witness of her side. If he did not speak in support of her, she would have his head chopped off. So children, can you see here in the screen, the two maids have went to the palace to their queen and they started saying about the situation took place, the quarrel took place in the market, and the two queens are listening to their maids. They went to the king with the complaint that you should call Babu for the witness. For the quarrel took place in the market, you should call Babu to the court. Now, after this, the king agreed the complaint and they called Babu for the witness. And the queen said that whether if you will not speak in support of me means my maid, then your head will get chopped off, means cut off. So now Babu was in a very panic mood, means panic situation, in a confusion that whose support I should take, whether I should take the support of the first queen or whether I should take the support of the second queen. Later on, let's see what Babu will do. So each maid has told Babu to be the witness. Babu was in a panic. When his father heard to this, he too was in a panic. Finally, the son said, "Let's go and ask Nagendra. He has wisdom to sail. Let's see what he has to say to get me out of this scrap." So father and son went to Nagendra, who said he would help, but the fees would be 500 rupees. Gupta paid him the money and Nagendra said, "When they call you to the court, pretend to be innocent. Behave as if you understand nothing of what they say." Now what happened? The son Babu came to his father Gupta and he told about the situation took place in the market, and this queens have even told Babu to be the witness. By this by this, now father is also in the panic mood, and at that time the son requested father to let's go to Nagendra. Nagendra will help us from the situation because he has many ideas as he is saying the wisdom. At that time Nagendra said Gupta that the fees will be 500 rupees. I will give you the wisdom, but the fees will be 500 rupees. At that time, the father paid the amount and he took the wisdom. What wisdom Nagendra gave to Babu? Nagendra gave the wisdom that your son should behave in a mental way, means pretend. Pretend means he should act. Pretend means he should act in a sense, means in a mental way, that he is weak, mentally weak, and you should behave that he don't know anything. Whatever they speak to him in the court, your son should behave as if he is not knowing anything. With this piece of wisdom, they went back. Next day, let me move to the 9th paragraph. Next day, the king called the witness. He and his ministers asked Babu various questions, but he wouldn't answer any of them. He merely babbled and uttered nonsensical syllabi till the king lost his patience and drove him out of the courtroom. Now what happened? Can you see in the screen? Babu is standing in front of the king. Means next day morning, Babu was called to the court for the witness. Babu is in front of the king and the queens are also present there. The minister started asking the question to the Babu, and Babu was in a very prepared way because he has took the wisdom from Nagendra and he remembered the words of the Nagendra. He started behaving in the same way when the minister started asking questions. So the ministers were asking question to Babu and Babu babbled, means he started हड़बड़ाहट की तरह जो बात करते हैं ना, not clear way. The words will not be in the clear way. Like that, in that manner, Babu started speaking. And he started saying the words very nonsensical, means very like not related to that situation. बहुत भोलेपन की तरह, इसको कुछ भी नहीं समझता, इस तरह से वो एक्टिंग करने लगा. Who Babu started doing acting, and within a few minutes, what happened? The king was impatient and he drove Babu out of the court. Means he told Babu to get out from the court. And let's move to the Babu delight. Babu was delighted by the success of the rest. He told everyone about Nagendra's great wisdom, which soon became a buzz word in the marketplace. So what happened later? What happened? Babu was very happy that he got saved from the king and his head also not got cut off from the queens. And with this situation, Babu was very happy. Delight means happy, and he started saying to all the people that Nagendra is a great person who says the good wisdom and which help the people to come out from the situation. Means for every problem his wisdom works out. This words started buzzing. Buzzing means he started saying these words to all in the marketplace, and that word started flowing in all the market. Means सब लोग नागेंद्र के विजडम के बारे में बात करने लगे, नागेंद्र के अच्छाई के बारे में they started speaking in the market. So children, read the paragraph up to 9th again and again, understand it. Let's stop here, and for the notes, children, visit to the school. Bye bye.